Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River, and we are looking at 588 South Main Street, apartment 2R, Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a second floor apartment. It is a one bedroom with an extra smaller office room. This unit has panel flooring, and we're going to look at the kitchen here. Stainless steel sinks, plenty of cabinet space. Nice countertop. Here we have an electric stove. To complement the electric stove, we also have the steel finish fridge. Over here we have the bathroom with a full-size tub and shower. The unit is located on South Main Street near many businesses and services. It's a short walk from Tenant Park. We have the extra smaller office room. Not large enough for a bedroom, but maybe like a small office or a baby room. This property is managed by Nexus, where you have access to a 24-hour service hotline number. We also offer services like paying rent online and key copying services. Again, this is 588 South Main Street, apartment 2R in Fall River, Massachusetts.